Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are good. So today I'll show you how I prepare gritty red dirt. This was a requested video and you can see that now I already have a gritty red dirt. I'll tell you how I prepare this. First of all, I have taken I think I have taken 5 kg of pure red brick sand like this, and I have also taken red concrete like this. I think this is more than 5 kg. I already added this into a soft sand. I have taken a little to show you that whatever ingredients I have added. So this is a mixture of red brick, pure sand and pure concrete. The concrete is also red. I have already mixed this. Let's add water. If you have added pure cement into this, you have to use less water, and if you have not used pure cement, then you can add water as per the requirement. To make anything gritty, I always buy concrete. Like to add in sand, cement, that as well I have bought from the shop, local market. So there is a shop for all the gritty materials. I buy all the gritty materials from them, and I just add that material into a softer material to give a gritty texture. You have to mix this properly. As I'm making the red dirt, gritty red dirt, the same way I make all the gritty texture, the sand, cement, the white sand, cement, all texture I make in the same form. I have added a little pure cement into this, so I will add less water. Now I can form any shape. Let's see. Nothing is difficult. It's so easy. For me it's so easy because now I have spent 7-8 months, so it's quite easy for me to prepare anything. See how beautiful shape is this. And if you have not added pure cement into this, you have to use more water, because the pure red brick sand, that is quite soft and requires more water. Now likewise you can prepare as many shape as you want. See, the same way I'll prepare all the shapes. I'll continue preparing shapes, and it maybe requires more water here because I haven't mixed this. I received many requests for the tutorials, but not getting time, as you know, because of the job, because of the ASMR videos. I never get time, very less time. And the most important thing to say is thank you so much for supporting and giving lots of love to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So this is a very easy way to prepare red dirt. If you have any another question, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want any another tutorial, let me know, so I'll share with you. I'll try to share all the tutorial one by one, but if there is any specific texture you want, you can comment me. So thank you so much everyone for supporting and loving. I love you all. Hope you enjoy this video. Bye bye. Thank you so much.